What is Constep hearing about, the concerns of manufacturers now at this sort of stage of COVID?
What we're hearing from them, and we've done multiple surveys during this period, their attention is really on new sales and new markets. They've lost business. We don't have that many automotive manufacturers in the state. We have a lot in transportation and aerospace and shipbuilding, but those in automotive have no orders. That has been a shutdown completely. So where could they go into a new market? How can we help them with lead generation? How can we help them with getting their website up to attract more, businesses to be known? On the aerospace side, I think there's delays, certainly on the commercial side. I mean, everybody anticipates that that'll be a 2 or 3 year comeback at least. Those that are fortunate to be dealing on the defense side, there's a real need and there's demand in that market. So it's a real up and down depending on which sector that you're in and what you produce and how heavily you're invested in that one or two sectors.